Hello students, good morning all. How are you all? I hope that you all are safe and fine at your home. Take precautions during this period. Wash your hands continuously, drink hot water and take precautions. Now today we are going to see English subject. Now if we will see, we will come to know that this season is of rainy season. We can call him as a monsoon season also. So, related this poem, today we are going to see in this period. Our subject is English. Poem number 1.3, In Time of Silver Rain. In Time of Silver Rain. It is written by Langston Hughes. So, we are going to see that this poem is about rain. Nowadays, you can observe the rain. You can observe due to rain what changes can come in our atmosphere, how our climate gets chill, and what difference or what changes we can see in our surroundings. For example, plants, how they are getting more leaves, the plants, how they are getting flowers. These all things it is possible to us to see in this season. So today we are going to see our poem 1.3, The Time of Silver Rain. The time of silver rain means rain we are observing. Silver why it's called? Because in this rainy season, whole atmosphere we can see that everything is changed. Maybe mountains, maybe hills, maybe rivers are started flowing with water. Maybe you can see everywhere that mountains and hills are full with greenery, and everything that plants are bloom with the flowers, different flowers we can see in this season, and everything so we can see happy climate. So it is called as a silver rain. So exactly we are going to see in this poem. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. See, when rains came, automatically if we will observe in May month or April month or March month, we can observe everywhere it is getting too hot due to summer season. And because of that, we are observing everywhere dryness, everywhere a hot climate, everywhere means we are full with sweat. But when rains came, this whole atmosphere or whole climate changes. How? See, we are full with means that everywhere we can see that climate is changing. Everywhere we can see cold, chill climate. Everywhere we can see that plants are getting more leaves. That trees are full with leaves. Everywhere we will observe that flowers blooms. So, see, put forth new life again. So, when after due to summer season, that hotness or that dryness change into coldness or change into the life again. Life again means due to that rain, everything started becoming green, and because of that, it's said here that puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow. If we will see everywhere now in rainy season, everywhere you can see green grasses. Our surroundings is full with green grasses. And flowers lift their heads and over all the plain. And if you will observe nearby your houses, if empty plains are there, you can see everywhere green grass, and everywhere you can observe that flowers starts blooming and it is coming ahead. The wonder spread of life, of life, of life. It is called that it is a wonder spread of life. Means when everywhere we are observing that cold climate, and everyone likes this pleasure climate. And because of this climate, when we are observing our surroundings, now people are happy, birds are happy, all trees trees are happy because they are getting water. So everywhere if you will observe, the rivers are blowing, a whole grass is green, and due to this it's called in the first stanza or first this stanza that everywhere we can see the wonder spread of life, of life, of love. Due to this we can see the wonder spread of life. Now in second stanza we can see in time of silver rain the butterflies lift strikes wings. See another changes of the climate. In when that rainy season is going on or when this rain season it is continuous, that time the butterflies lift silken wings. So that time we can see everywhere that butterflies which are having silken wings, they are means why it's called silken wings, because in rainy season only it is possible that we are observing many butterflies start flying in the climate. They are starting sitting on the flowers because they observe everywhere flowers. Nice different flowers started blooming, and because of that situation we can see everywhere in our surroundings butterfly, and their colors are different, and because of that it's called as a silken wings. To catch a rainbow cry and trees put forth new leaves to sing, enjoy beneath the sky. Now to catch a rainbow cry means in rainy season what we can see in the sky, mostly we can see rainbow in the sky. So when we are observing this rainbow, so here they compared like that, and trees put forth new leaves to sing. Now see, here given that butterflies when they are flying, they are trying to reach towards the rainbow. Why it's given? Because this changes we can see only in rainy season. That rainbow we can't see in other season, or this butterflies we can see other time. But rainbow we can't see in the other season. So that these butterflies are trying to catch to that rainbow. It is the imagination of the poet. Exactly it is not happening, but still it is given in the poem that though that butterflies are flying in the surroundings, they are trying to catch the rainbow. Then trees put forth new leaves to sing. Now trees put forth new leaves to sing. Now if we will see everywhere trees, they are means all plants. If you will see, you will observe one thing that though it is a small plants or though it is a big trees, you can see it is full with the branches, new branches starts coming, and you can observe for small plants new branches or new leaves started, and because of that it's said by the poet that new leaves to sing. Why they are coming out the new leaves? To sing the song, because they are happy. When we are singing song, when we are happy. So when our surrounding is pleasant or our surroundings are happy, so we are also happy, and mostly we are singing the songs. So same they have given here that small plants, they are also started singing by their songs. They are trying to show their happiness by singing. Enjoy beneath the sky as down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. Now see, enjoy beneath the sky. Now this way we can see the joy. Joy means happiness, the pleasant atmosphere, the pleasant climate. When rainy season is continuous, that time we are observing, we can see happiness everywhere around behind the sky. Means whatever downside of sky, we can see the happy climate, we can see pleasant atmosphere in our sky, in our atmosphere. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. And not only plants, not only butterflies, not only small plants, peoples, maybe that is boys, maybe that is girls, maybe it is women, maybe it is men, old and young, everyone is happy in that climate. And due to this reason, we can observe that those who are passing from there, here they have given example that boys and girls, when they are passing through the road, what they are doing? They are singing a song. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. In time of silver rain. Now, in that time of silver rain, when spring and life are new, and when that springs came, that springs and whole life is becoming new due to that rain. So that means rain is giving us life. Without water, we can't live. Nobody can live. Not plant, not human being, not animal, no one. So that rain is giving us another life. Rain is providing us a new life. And so that this poem is depend on the rain, and we have seen in time of silver rain. So it is written by Langston Hughes. So let's again once recite the poem. In time of silver rain, in time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers leave their roots, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing, enjoy beneath the sky. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls, so singing too, in time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. Langston Hughes. So, read this poem twice or thrice. Try to understand the poem and solve this question answers again. Stay safe, stay home.